Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to be talking about personal care supplies and making sure your stock is up. First, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down here, and that way you'll be subscribed, and you can ring the notification bell, which will make sure you get notified every time I post a new video, if YouTube cooperates. Also, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. That helps me out with YouTube's analytics. And if any of your friends, family, neighbors would be interested in this topic, please go ahead and share it out. You can use social media down below. Just click on it and share it that way. Or you can copy the URL up above here, put it in an email, and just email it to them. So let's get into the topic here. I got my little note card so I don't forget anything. So if I'm glancing down, that's what I'm reading off of here. Personal care supplies. Now, probably in a SHTF situation, walking into the world as we know it, or the balloon going up, whatever you want to call it, one of the things that people are going to run out of is going to be deodorant and antiperspirant. Because if it's a bad situation, most likely the water's not working, and you're not going to be taking showers as often. You're going to have to haul water to your house. So, you're not going to be taking showers every day. And to keep from offending all your family members, you're going to want to take care of the odoriferous smell coming off of your body. Another thing to keep good supplies on is shampoos, body soaps, hand sanitizers, lotions, creams, cleaning wipes, the special little powders like for goes in your shoes to keep your shoes from stinking, and the Gold Bond powders for using in certain other areas to keep it nice and dry and fresh. All that type of stuff. Make sure you got a good supplies worth. If you just have one container of whatever it is and you don't get it another one until that's almost empty, you should have 2 or 3 spare containers there lined up to use. That way, if something happens and the store happens to be out when you run out, you still have stuff to use. For grooming, personal care grooming, razors, clippers, hair dryers, combs, brushes. One of the things you can do, you can go back and look at the Your Prep for Today, number 6, which is dental, which talks about brushing your teeth and all that stuff, all the supplies you need there. There are a lot of things that I'm probably not even touching on that are personal care supplies that you'll think of immediately. Say, why didn't you talk about this? Well, anything you think of, type it in the comments section so everybody else can read it as well. Make a list down there. And as always, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.